What's up everyone, Evan here. I'm helping us millennials win the money game, and today we're going to be talking about Meet Kevin and what he's not exactly telling us about real estate investing, specifically real estate investing in California. So we're going to first touch on the three main things that are not brought up that are very detrimental to California real estate investors specifically, and then we're going to jump into the actual prices. We're going to do Redfin city estimates of the actual cities that Kevin's investing in, that I live in, and how unaffordable it is to actually live there. Then we're going to move on to these guys right here and where they're actually living. So all these guys have left and they're leaving. Graham Stephan, Ben Shapiro, Joe Rogan, Elon Musk, and I'm going to show you where they're moving. So we're going to finish this off with the top 3 places to move out of California if you're thinking about it. All right, so just jumping into it, what is the number one thing, the first of the 3 things that is making it a little bit more detrimental to be a California real estate investor? It is this, the Prop 21. This expands local governments all around California to enact rent control. I know rents are high, I know they're expensive, but when you're a real estate investor and you need the rent to be able to pay for these very expensive mortgages, this could be detrimental to making a real estate position or a house purchase positive or negative cash flow. And you don't want local governments to make your real estate investments pretty much lose you money. This could be absolutely detrimental. This is passing or not passing on November 3rd with the election. Okay, the next part is renter friendly versus landlord friendly. So way back, my mom was helping my uncle with watching his house, and we had a tenant, we put them in, they were nice, but they just stopped paying, and they kept never paying. And what ended up happening is you could not evict them. So for over 6-7 months, they lived there rent-free, and we couldn't do anything. We actually had to sell the house to just get the tenant out. And these are the type of situations you face in California because they're very renter-friendly. And I do agree with giving renters some rights, but it's a little bit more advantageous if this is your entire financial situation resting on a tenant paying the rent to have a place that would be able to evict them a little bit faster. All right, tax friendly. Well, let's look at not tax friendly. Here's California, not very tax friendly at all. All right, so it's just building a case against California. So let's go into the actual state income tax for California. This is what blows my mind right here. 13.3% right here. Can't really see that. I scribbled on it. 13.3% is the top tax rate for California state income tax, which blows my mind. So let's get into a little heat map showing you exactly what this looks like on a map of the United States. You can see that California state income tax is through the roof. Look at this, 13.3% is absolutely ridiculous. And you can see there's a lot of other states that don't have this same tax. Nevada, Texas, Florida, you're kind of seeing where the drift's going. Wyoming, South Dakota, Washington. So there's other more affordable places, but let's not only look at the taxes, let's look at the actual price of a home here in California and see kind of what Kevin's paying too for his houses. Okay, here's Los Angeles. This is a huge area, huge metro area. You're looking at almost $1 million for a home. Okay, let's go to Kevin. Okay, where's Kevin investing? Kevin's primarily investing in both Ventura and then also in Santa Barbara. So these are the prices. Santa Barbara, 1.4, crazy. And then you move into Ventura, a little bit more reasonable at half that price at 1.7. So as soon as we dig down a little bit further, this is where I'm living. Look how unaffordable this is. I mean, your down payment will be the price of a house in Nevada. Okay, so we see a lot of different people are actually moving out of here, right? Okay, so where exactly are they going? State by state, here it is. Top 3 is Texas, Arizona, Washington. Tax-free states are low-tax states that are kind of warm, more or less, except for Washington. Okay, let's go into these top 4 people who moved out. Where did they go? And this is where it gets interesting. These are the future. These are going to be the hubs where these guys move out to. It's not because they moved, it's because a lot of people are moving to these destination cities. So this is the important part. So we got Graham Stephan. He's moving to Vegas. We got Ben Shapiro moving to Nashville. Joe Rogan's off to Austin, and then Elon Musk has actually threatened to go to Austin. And he's selling all of his houses, so signs do point to yes. Okay, so let's look at these prices. Austin, $430. Not cheap, but a lot less, much more affordable, and there's houses in the threes you can still buy. Okay, Vegas, 100,000 less, 310,000. Most people making a median income can actually afford these houses. And then we go to Tampa. This is my secret one. This is the one that not a lot of people are moving to, but it has very affordable housing, beautiful area, right by some of the best beaches in the United States. And then we've got Nashville. This is where Shapiro's moving. So if you look at this, we just broke down the 3 reasons why it's not best to be in California, from Prop 21, rent control, to the high state taxes. It is difficult to be investing or start investing in California. And there's poor tax advantages here too. So a lot of people are moving to the top 3, and that would be Austin, Vegas, and Nashville are where people are moving. So if you're thinking about investing, maybe California isn't the best choice for you. Look into other options to see what would be the best bet for you. And if you liked what you saw here, please like, please subscribe, share this. And if you want a new video twice a week, come back here.